Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw, including this book, and I'm very excited to show it to you today. It's the Master Guide to Drawing Anime, Expressions and Poses. And it's part of my Master Guide series, which is popular thanks to you. So let me show you a few things about this. If you ever want to know how to draw the expressions and the poses so that they're convincing, this book will give you ideas and techniques that you can use. So I just flipped through it a little bit about the faces. There's turnarounds and some tips, for instance, in the three-quarter view. It's very important to get that little pouchy cheek area right because that gives her a cute look. And then we go into some proportions of the body and how to stretch, what happens when the body stretches and tilts and moves. I mean, a lot of hip tips here. And also here, now it's a new chapter, the keys drawing the figure. So what is the key to drawing the figure? There's so many different aspects of it. Well, the torso is really the fulcrum, and so it's highlighted in yellow in all the steps. If you can get that right, the bend, the twist, and how it's put together, everything else falls into place. On any pose, a casual pose like this, standing, or a very serious working pose here, or sitting here, kind of lonely, on a swing by yourself. So it's got a lot of good tips that way, in action as well. Here's this ice skater and yoga person. So I won't go through the entire book because I'd like you to get the book. And for instance, in a fashion kind of model, the hips swing up on one side. See that? They swing up. So little aspects can drive the pose. Then here's a nice chapter for you. It's hands and arm gestures. I don't think about that much in a pose. We think the pose is about the legs and the body, but little gestures can make it. I mean, look at her thinking and wondering right here. That's because she's twirling her hair. A little pose like that. You're not concerned about like the hips. At this point, you're interested that she's twirling her hair, so you know she's undecided still. And over here, clasping the hands in front of her, that's insecurity. You don't have to go to great lengths to pose it this way, that way. The hands tell the story. Same thing on this, a funny one. Hands on the face, humorous, boom, done. Funny drawing. Also, how about a stubborn person? Arms crossed in front, boom, done. So it's got secrets like that, tips you can use all over the place. And using contour lines to make the body look realistic. And then you transfer it here without the lines and further with the clothes and finally with the full outfit on, and it looks great because you started here with the contour lines. And I explain in the book what the contour lines are about and how to use them. Well, I could go on, and I probably will if I'm not stopped, so I will stop now. I like that one, a fun amusement park. I love amusement parks, and this is about laying out scenes. So anyhow, the book is called, again, The Master Guide to Drawing Anime, Expressions and Poses. It's at all booksellers. You can get it everywhere, or ask for it if you don't see it. Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe. New videos every week. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.